Big day in court for two Hollywood stars accused of buying their children's way into college. Good evening to you. I'm Veronica Dela Cruz.
And I'm Elizabeth Cook in for Alan Martin this evening. We have learned a Bay Area parent charged in the scheme will be the first to plead guilty. He is Peter Sartorio, a Menlo Park food entrepreneur. Court documents show he intends to enter a plea at the end of the month. Sartorio is accused of paying $15,000 to have someone correct his daughter's ACT scores. More than a dozen parents charged in the admissions scheme appeared before a federal judge in Boston.
CBS reporter Kenneth Craig says the spotlight was on two of them. Kenneth?
Well, it most certainly was. Those two Hollywood actresses who appeared here in court this afternoon are definitely used to the cameras and the spotlight, but this is certainly not the kind of attention they had ever hoped for. It really was a media circus out here this afternoon as one by one they made their way inside.
Actress Felicity Huffman left Boston federal court after facing charges she paid a college admissions consultant $15,000 to boost her daughter's SAT scores.
There are recorded phone calls, and there are emails, and there are wiretaps, and there are other types of communications that are documented and aren't going anywhere. So that's the kind of case that the federal government brings.
Huffman said little in court and even less outside.
Ms. Huffman, anything you want to say to your fans?
Actress Lori Loughlin and her fashion designer husband, Massimo Giannulli, also faced the judge. Loughlin shook hands with fans on her way into the hearing.
Lori, pay for my tuition, Lori!
The couple is accused of forking over $500,000 to have their daughters falsely designated as recruits to the crew team at the University of Southern California.
A total of 15 defendants appeared before the judge here Wednesday, all of them parents, all of them accused of paying a college admissions consultant to get their kids into elite universities.
Some defendants worked with a prison consultant when weighing their legal options.
What's most surprising to me about the first conversation is how many of them didn't view their actions as criminal.
The mastermind at the center of the scheme, Rick Singer, has already pleaded guilty and is cooperating with investigators.
All of the parents in court this afternoon are facing the same federal charges and, if convicted, face upwards of 20 years in prison, but many of them are expected to take those plea deals. Liz and Veronica.
All right, Kenneth Craig, thank you. Other Bay Area parents appeared in Boston federal court today, including Palo Alto hedge fund CEO Manuel Enriquez alongside his wife Elizabeth. Prosecutors allege the couple worked with Rick Singer, the alleged mastermind in the scheme to get both daughters into elite colleges. Palo Alto couple Gregory and Amy Colburn also appeared today. They are accused of conspiring to cheat on their son's SAT exam, allegedly using Singer's services. The New York Times reports Gregory, a radiation oncologist, is now under investigation by the state medical board due to the allegations.